Hi, I'm Dale Cobb, and welcome to another Success Path 60-second resume building seminar. This is part of a series on how to build an effective modern resume that will reach the hiring manager, attract a job interview, and continue selling your authentic strengths, leading to more second interviews and ultimately job offers. In this segment, I'm going to be talking about a section I call relevant or requested strengths. There are a number of ways to do this section with paragraphing, bullet points, and list areas. I'll be leaving off the paragraphing method because it's much harder to do well unless you're a gifted writer. There are several right ways to do this section, and I won't be covering them all because I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible for someone wanting to write their own resume. I might add, there are several wrong ways to do it as well. This is the skills or function section of a combination resume formatting, pulling together the best parts of a skills resume and a chronological resume. For more information on resume formats, I have an entire segment devoted to that. The relevant strengths section goes right into the application target. I use the word relevant here because you want to focus on the strengths that are relevant to a very specific or targeted job opening. We might also call this section requested strengths. Don't list your great dog training or carpentry talents or skills when applying to a tech company, for example. You'll want to deconstruct the position description and use the precise language used by the company. For example, if the position description requests someone who is skilled in Microsoft Word, don't use the common shortcut MS Word. The strengths language is what we call keywords, and both humans and computer readers, called applicant tracking systems, are often programmed to search for very specific words and phrases. Don't abbreviate MGR for the word manager, as another example, unless the position description does this. The first part of your relevant strengths section might be 3 to 5 bullet point phrases, each describing a requested strength. Look at the position description and break down the requests into the following 8 categories. First, natural talent and abilities. Second, develop skills. Then tool and tech skills. Passion and interests. Knowledge, which would include things like languages and terminology. Experience, which would be like background. Education and training, things like certificates. And then traits, which would include personality and temperament. You'll find that most different employers focus on different things. They'll focus on about 3 or 4 of these categories though. The bullet points should show how the strength made a contribution, and when possible it should be quantified. For example, strong salesperson exceeding quota by 23% year in, year out, or year over year. Fast data entry, certified 61 words per minute with 0 errors. After your 3 to 5 bullet points, you might list your strengths. Many resume writers do this in a random way, and I prefer to list these strengths with callouts like certificates, knowledge, skills, tech, or traits, depending on what the company is requesting. I hope you found this information helpful. I'm Dale Cobb, and I'll see you on the path.